Hey guys, my name is Forrester and I'm working at ArcelorMittal Dofasco as an accounting analyst. And during my time there, some of my main responsibilities have been helping to create the company's budget for the entire fiscal year, creating periodic statements summarizing both our revenues and our expenses, assisting with internal audits, and just generally preparing and posting journal entries. Yeah, so one of the great things about my internship was how it gave me exposure to so many of the different pathways that are available to an accountant. I'm grateful that I was able to participate in some financial reporting and internal audit tasks, while also being heavily involved in the organization's financial performance and analysis work. I think there's a lot of value in being able to touch so many of the different accounting avenues before fully committing to a career path. In terms of skills and knowledge, I think having a good foundation and familiarity with debits and credits and the different types of balance sheet and income statement accounts was certainly helpful in my role. And the transferable skills that get exercised the most during my time were definitely my attention to detail, organization, and deadline management. They got a workout and they're ripped now. Yeah, so I am definitely going to continue to pursue my CPA designation by taking upper year accounting courses offered through MAC. But if you're looking for some external resources, I know CPA Canada and Canadian Accountant put out some solid publications. Another great way to really engross yourself in the accounting industry is to follow accountants and content creators on LinkedIn or other socials to keep up to date with what's going on. For specific skills, I would definitely recommend enhancing your Excel abilities. Accountants basically live in Excel, and if you get proficient to the point where you can focus on the actual accounting problem in front of you instead of the data formatting and manipulation, you are going to save yourself so much time, effort, and frustration in the future. And for that same reason, if you can develop a background in tech or financial systems, you will make yourself invaluable in whatever role you're in. Yeah, so my internship experience introduced me to the emerging trend of big data and illuminated for the first time to me the size and scale of large databases and how robust information systems can be. Advancements in tech have allowed us to automate routine time-consuming tasks, which has provided my colleagues and I with even more time and bandwidth to interpret, analyze, communicate, and make decisions based on data that's flowing to us more quickly and accurately than ever. Essentially, tech and the emergence of AI is not replacing accountants. Rather, it is enabling us to leverage our professional judgment and do our jobs better than ever before. Wow, advice to the next generation. I would say do well in your accounting courses and really all of your courses for that matter. Hiring managers are always looking for reasons to exclude candidates, and if you have a poor transcript, that's an easy one for them. Beyond that, this is going to sound cliche, but work on growing your professional network. You can start with just connecting with your classmates, upper year students, profs, alumni, and then just go from there. You never know what random connection might lead to an opportunity in the future. And then finally, especially when you're looking for that very first internship, don't be afraid of rejection. Remember, along the way, there's probably going to be a lot of no's, but at the end of the day, all it takes is one yes.